Hey there, storytellers. Welcome to Story Bible Pro, the podcast where we dive into the world of storytelling and help you become a believer and an overachiever in your craft. I'm your host, Enda Story, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey. In today's fast-paced world, stories have the power to captivate, inspire, and motivate us. But with so many platforms and mediums to share our stories, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's where Story Bible Pro comes in. Our podcast is dedicated to helping you craft compelling stories that resonate with your audience. Whether you're a writer, filmmaker, marketer, or simply someone with a passion for storytelling, we've got you covered. In each episode, we'll be exploring the art and science of storytelling, from developing your idea to crafting a narrative that leaves a lasting impact. We'll be sharing tips, tricks, and insights from industry experts, as well as our own experiences to help you improve your storytelling skills. So, what can you expect from our podcast? Well, we'll be covering topics like character development, plot structure, dialogue, and pacing. We'll also be discussing the latest trends and innovations in storytelling, from virtual reality to social media. But most importantly, we'll be sharing our passion for storytelling with you. We believe that stories have the power to change the world, and we want to help you be a part of that movement. So if you're ready to take your storytelling skills to the next level, tune in every week for new episodes of Story Bible Pro, and don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and follow us on social media to stay up to date on the latest news and tips. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and let's get started on creating some amazing stories together. Today, we're exploring the fascinating concept of Story Bible and how it can transform your writing process. Writers all over the world put their faith in their own personal Story Bible. But what exactly is a Story Bible, and how can it revolutionize your writing journey? A Story Bible is a sacred document for writers everywhere, serving as a detailed blueprint for your story. It provides a roadmap for your characters, plot lines, and settings, ensuring consistency and coherence across all aspects of your storytelling. Having a tool that keeps track of every character, plot twist, and narrative turn in your writing project. A Story Bible is your comprehensive guide to where your story has been and where it's headed. Our very own Story Bible, the Life and Death Journal for Writers, is designed to be your ultimate sidekick in the writing process, with sections dedicated to themes, characters, plots, and more. Story Bible offers a space to organize your thoughts and ideas in one place. Say goodbye to lost ideas and inspirations. With Story Bible, you can keep all your plots and plans for your writing project in one accessible place, ensuring you never miss out on a big idea again. Are you ready to take your writing to the next level? Build your own Story Bible with our free content checklist and embark on a writing journey filled with creativity and organization. Thank you for tuning into our podcast today. Remember, your Story Bible is your key to unlocking a world of storytelling possibilities. Stay inspired and keep writing.